Today, we're making one of our favorite Italian dishes, Scaloppine al Limone, tender chicken in a creamy lemon butter sauce. Simple, bright, and full of Mediterranean flavor. For this recipe, you'll need chicken thighs, butter, fresh lemons, flour, rosemary salt, sage, and good quality olive oil. We start by slicing the chicken thighs into thin cutlets. Then, using a kitchen mallet, we gently pound them until they are even. This makes the meat tender and helps it cook perfectly. In a pan, we melt a bit of butter with olive oil over medium heat. We lightly coat each piece of chicken in flour, shaking off the excess, and then place them into the hot pan. While it's cooking, we season with rosemary salt and flip each piece once golden. Then we add a little more salt, a touch of black pepper, and let it cook through beautifully. We finally chop some fresh sage, and add it straight to the pan. Then we squeeze the juice of fresh lemons over the chicken and stir it all together. The aroma is just incredible. And here it is, Scaloppine al Limone, tender chicken in a zesty, buttery lemon sauce, perfect with roasted vegetables or a light salad. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious Italian dishes from our kitchen. A classic Italian comfort dish. Chicken alla Cacciatora. Tender chicken slowly cooked with wine, olives, and herbs, full of rich, rustic flavors. For this recipe, we'll need chicken thighs, Kalamata olives, anchovies, white wine, olive oil, fresh rosemary and sage, garlic, white vinegar, and salt. Add olive oil to a pan and place the chicken thighs. Let them brown until golden. Then flip and sear the other side. Once browned, remove them and transfer to a pot. In the same pan, pour it white wine to the glaze. Scrape out all that flavor from the bottom and let it simmer for a minute. Then pour it over the chicken in the pot. In a blender, Add fresh rosemary, anchovies, garlic, a splash of white vinegar, and a pinch of dried chili. Blend until smooth. Season the chicken with salt and black pepper. Then pour in the blended mixture. Add the Kalamata olives and stir gently to coat everything. Cover and let it cook on low heat for 45 minutes. And there it is, our chicken alla cacciatora, tender and bursting with Mediterranean flavor, perfect with crusty bread or creamy polenta. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious Italian dishes. Milanese cutlet, crispy, golden and delicious. Today, we'll show you how to make it. Serve it with a fresh rucola salad. To make Milanese cutlet, you'll need pork cutlets, eggs, clarified butter, breadcrumbs, a pinch of salt, and pepper. And for a salad, fresh arugula, cherry tomatoes, lemon, shaved Parmesan cheese, good extra virgin olive oil, and of course, salt and pepper. So, let's start cooking. Place the cutlets between two sheets of plastic or parchment. Pound until about 1/4 for each 6 mm and even, and just 2 so they cook uniformly. Season both sides with salt and pepper. Classic 2-bowl setup. Bowl 1, beaten eggs, and bowl 2, breadcrumbs. Dip in egg, let it drip. And into the breadcrumbs, press gently so the coating adheres. Heat a white skillet over medium-high. Add enough clarified butter or oil plus butter to thinly coat the pan. Fry 2 to 3 minutes per side until deeply golden and crisp. Don't overcrowd. Work in batches if needed. When the cutlet is ready, place it on a plate with kitchen paper. Make the arugula salad. Let's start with the cherry tomatoes. I prefer to cut them in half. In a large bowl, add the arugula and cherry tomatoes. Then whisk the juice of a lemon with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a pinch of salt, and pepper. Add 2 ingredients and mix well. Okay, plate the cutlet. Mount the salad right on top or alongside. Finish with shaved parmesan and a wedge of lemon. That's it, Milan on a plate. A golden, buttery crust, then the peppery butt of arugula, sweet tomatoes, and salty parmesan. If you try this cotoletta milanese, drop a comment with your crunch level and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious classics. Buon appetito!